What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I'm in a different spot today. It's really nice out and I wanted to do my hair outside. It's actually my wash day, but I kind of don't want to wash my hair, so I'm going to style it until my mirror's falling. I'm going to just style it until I'm ready to wash it, but I'm just gonna do 2 simple braids and call it a day. I have my products out here, my water and my clips and everything, so I just wanted to switch up the location and just enjoy some sun. So I'm going to take my hair out of this bun. In the last video you guys saw that I had a twist out using Pattern Beauty, and I don't want to wash my hair yet because my hair feels fine, so I'm just going to style it, and then the next time I'm ready to wash it, I'll take care of that. So today I'm going to be using Melanin Hair Care. I have a couple of videos on my channel showing how I use these products. I'm using their multi-use softening leave-in and the twist elongating styling cream. If you're interested in hearing my thoughts about these products, go ahead and check out some videos that I did before. I'll leave them in the cards for y'all to check out. But today I'm just going to do 2 simple braids, so that way whenever I'm ready to wash my hair is already sectioned and ready to go. I apologize about the lighting. I am sitting outside, so the sun is going in and out. So if it doesn't look the best, my bad, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to spray my hair with I'm gonna spray my hair with some warm water. When it comes to these 2 braids, I like to moisturize my hair in 4 sections just to make sure that each of my strands are coated with the product and that they're moisturized. You don't have to do it this way, but I find that when I section my hair into 4, it makes it easier for me to apply the product. And when I braid my hair, I notice that there's more moisture and it lasts a little bit longer in that way by dividing it into the section. So after applying the leave-in, I'm going to add some of my Amla Fenugreek Serum on top. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the twisting cream. I'm going to take about this much. So I just finished applying the leave-in oil and cream to my hair, and now I'm just going to braid this section up. My hair smells so freaking good right now. One thing I want to mention, if you are interested in this oil, it has a very sweet scent. If you are someone who likes sweet scents, I think you would enjoy this amla fenugreek serum. It smells like cookies and gingerbread, and it just smells really good. So if you are interested, don't forget to check out my website, the Garden of Bloom. But yeah, my hair smells really good right now. So now I'm just going to braid up this section and then move on to the other side. So this is the first braid. I'm all done with it. So one thing I like about using this cream, it really does help when it comes to elongating your hair or whatever style that you're doing. I noticed that when I use this, I get a little bit more stretch than usual. If you are someone who wants to get more stretch out of your styles but you don't want to use any heat, I would say reach for this product if you haven't tried it, if you're looking for definition but also elongation, because right now this is how my hair is looking. It's looking really stretched and moisturized. So yeah, if you're looking for a product that will give you that, I would say check out this styling cream. So it's something I've been doing differently when it comes to styling my hair, is that I don't use combs if I don't need to. So I have very fine hair, as you guys know, and I noticed that I get less breakage if I'm not using certain detangling tools on my hair over and over. So the most thing that I would do when it comes to using a comb or a brush is usually if my hair is blow dried. I like using combs and brushes mostly on my dry or blow dried hair because it's in a stretched state and my curls aren't going to be as fragile. My hair will still be fragile, and you know, whenever it's stretched or if it's curly. In terms of lessening the amount of breakage I get, I prefer to use combs and styling tools on my hair when it's blow dried versus when it's wet and fragile. Usually in my videos you'll notice that I don't use any combs that much, especially now that I've been trying to pay more attention to my hair and what it likes and just figuring out how to, you know, reduce breakage. I finger detangle most of the time now, and yeah, as I'm applying the product, I'm finger detangling and I'm getting the shed hairs out so that it makes it easier for me to, you know, keep track of how my hair is shedding and how it's looking. So if you're not someone who's finger detangling right now, I would say give it a try, because if you're noticing that your hair is breaking more often or you're getting more single strand knots and things like that, I would say try to switch up the tools that you use for styling your hair. I still have single strand knots. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that I don't. I still have single strand knots, I have split ends, but I'm saying that the frequency of that will be lessened if you're trying to change the way that you style your hair or the methods that you style your hair. So now I just applied the leave-in and the oil, and I'm going to seal that in with the styling cream. And this product, you don't need a lot of it. I've had this styling cream for a while now and it doesn't even look like I've used it, but I've definitely used it. It's just so thick and creamy. You don't need a lot of it at all, especially if you have fine hair like me. A little bit goes a long way when it comes to certain products that have that kind of texture. So yeah, I'm just taking the shed hairs that I'm getting and I'm just getting rid of them and I'm putting them on my pants right now, but that's fine. So that section is all done. Now I'm going to move to this other side here. My water is probably cold right now because it's kind of chilly outside, but Usually I'll use warm water to style my hair because I have low porosity, as you guys can see. Or I don't even know if y'all can see it, but let me see if I can show y'all what low porosity hair looks like when you apply water to it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but you can see like the water is sitting on my hair. It's just sitting there. Can y'all see it? It's just sitting there. So that's a sign, one of the signs of having low porosity hair. And you want to make sure you work whatever moisture that you're applying to your hair really well so that it can absorb. So that's why I like using warm water, because I find that it sinks in my hair better. Alright, so now I'm going to add this leave-in conditioner, this multi-purpose leave-in conditioner. I also tried pre-pooing with this a couple of weeks ago, and I really liked it as well. Now, see, I'm getting all the shed hairs as I'm finger detangling. I'm gonna add some of my oil. I'm gonna take about this much of the cream. So I moisturized both sections, and now I'm ready to braid my hair. I'm just gonna do it the same way I did the other side. And if you guys don't know, these two braids are my go-to when it comes to a low manipulation hairstyle or something quick and simple. If you want to keep your hands out of your hair, but make sure that your strands are moisturized and taken care of. I do this hairstyle very often. If I'm not wearing twists or knotless braids, this is usually how I'll style my hair. Alright y'all, so I'm all done with my braids. My hair feels good and moisturized, and whenever I'm ready to wash my hair, I'm all set when it comes to the sectioning and things like that. So this is how much shed hair I have so far. I do have some more all over my pants, but for the most part, this is about the shedding that I get. I haven't touched my hair in a few days, so that's completely normal. Y'all, that's the wind chimes, if you guys are wondering what that noise is. But yeah, this is what my braids are looking like. They are super moisturized, elongated, and also just, they feel really good right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair does look a little bit white from using the styling cream, but it will dry off clear. And yeah, I'm all set now with my styling and just going to go about the day. And usually I'll keep these braids in for, sometimes I'll keep it in for the week and just re-moisturize with water. I don't apply products to my hair throughout the week often, depending on the style that I'm doing. Usually I'll just spray my hair with water and then I'll oil my scalp. This has been my oil of choice lately, my amla fenugreek serum, and I'll just, you know, keep it very simple. When it comes to my hair and length retention and just, you know, making sure that I'm keeping my hair healthy, I don't play in it all the time. I think that's one of the key things that you want to keep in mind if you want to grow out your hair or just, you know, keep your hair as healthy as you can as healthy as you can. You still want to, you know, touch your hair and make sure that it's okay, but I don't mean like so frequently. So yeah, these braids, I'm going to just keep them in for a few days or whenever I want to wash my hair, and then that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this styling video. Let me know what you think of the melanin hair care products that I use, and don't forget to check out the cards if you want to see the other styles that I've done using this product. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.